Hey, Minnewaska Middle School families, Sarah Suki here. I wanted to do a quick video before the week is over. So it's Friday afternoon, and we hope you're having a great day. There are a couple things to be aware of. The most important is that there is a change in our drop-off and pickup starting on Monday. And so the location will be marked for you, but there is a video and a couple pictures in the SMORE this week or in my message this week for you to view and to follow. And so know that there will be barricades of where students go and where buses go, but we are working to make sure that we have a safer environment for all of our students. So please review that. We will be out there on Monday morning and afternoon, and throughout the week there will be people posted to help you learn where to go and how to drop off students appropriately. Secondly, it is an exciting time. We hit another milestone. It is mid-quarter today, and so that really matters when you have students in 7th through 12th grade. And so I encourage our 7th and 8th grade families to review student grades and missing assignments. Students were required to do this during advisory today, so they should know right where their grades are and what missing assignments look like. You should check on when you look at the student class, you should click on the class and see if there's any zeros in the gradebook. Those are also missing assignments for you to view and see what needs to be made up. Lastly, on December 23rd, it is a full contact student day. And so at one point that had been a half day and it needed to be changed to make sure that we meet guidance from the Department of Education and have a full student day. So students will be here their regular day and will be dismissed at 3:10 on December 23rd. As always, we hope you're staying safe and healthy and have a great weekend. See you soon.